Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel called Yes Honeys. I really appreciate it, okay? So this video today is basically going to be documenting one of my new journeys in life, in which I'm always up to something, honey. Whether it's nursing school, something with the military, life changes, I don't know. I'm going to keep you in the loop. Either way, today my new journey is with my eyebrows. So basically, I want to switch up my routine for my eyebrows. I really don't like the inside of it, how it just, I don't know, like, I feel like it's the last season now. Now the girls are into the little wispy eyebrows all over. Look more wolf-like, you know. But I don't want to be a wolf. I just want to be like a little microbladed doll, like little microblade here, that little razzle dazzle. So either way, I did my research on the YouTube, honey, and I found this brow micro filling pen. No, that's upside down. Good night. This brow micro filling pen. This is from Benefit, and I purchased in a deep brown. Now I hope they have a black maybe, but either way we'll see, because you don't want to go too dark on your eyebrows anyway. But either way, this little pen looks like this, and yeah, we're gonna see what it do. So I ordered it from Sephora, like I said. Maybe I should shake it up. We're gonna shake it up and we tried it. I'm gonna be real quick with y'all, okay? So either way, let me zoom in a little more, or maybe I could just come up closer. Let's come up a little closer. So either way, I'm gonna take this little tip and let's see, we're gonna put a longer tip. Y'all, excuse my little ashy fingers. All right, let's see. Good night. Okay. Good night. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Now I like the little natural hairs. Oh, okay. Now wait a minute. Cause if I was sitting here with the okay, I'm liking this. But yeah, if I was sitting here with a pen, you know, like the little eyeshadow pencils or whatever, child, I'd be drawing, overdrawing. Now these not. That was the chair. I didn't fart, y'all. Okay. Okay, I really like what that gives. So it's a good, let's try this one. All right. I like what it does to the inside. Let's see if I can make a unibrow. You see, look, you know, because I know y'all can't really. But I'm okay. Like you see, it's giving me the lines are real. I like it. All right, so I'll definitely be using this for the inside. Okay, so all right, now I'm doing the most, but I like unibrows. I've always had a thing for a good old unibrow. Again, that's my chair. Come through, unibrow. Honey loves unibrows. Yeah, okay. I like this little thing. It's giving. We'll see how long it lasts, though. Hopefully it doesn't dry out. But what I'm going to do next, I'm going to wipe off one of my eyebrows. And we're going to see what it looks like on a fresh. I definitely wouldn't use this on like my full eyebrow, because I like my Anastasia dip brow pomade. But definitely for the inside, I'm going to try this. So either way, I'm going to be back real quick, and we're going to try this on a full brow. And first, I just wanted to see how it looked on the inside. But stay tuned. I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. So I'm back up close and personal. Excuse the eyebrows. Again, this is just my normal day-to-day little throw-on makeup. Nothing fancy, just a little razzle-dazzle. Okay, but either way, we're going to try the pen on this eyebrow, okay? Let's see what we're working with. Low-key, y'all, I need to get my eyebrows done, because I tried it walking out the house like this without getting. All right, friends. Oh! Y'all, I just need a little cleanup on aisle 3. You know, maybe I could have used a little spoolie. Where my spoolie at? Hey, where the spoolies at? Oh, no, I can't forget about my brows. Where the spoolies at? Okay, y'all, I'm feeling this, like, because I got a lot of eyebrows already. I ain't gonna go too far. I hate when girls wear their eyebrows too far in. Okay. Just, all right. And I don't really have to fill in much, because I'm Looking like a caterpillar. Good night. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, I'm feeling this. Okay, so I mean, I don't really need, let's see what it looked like at the tip. Girl, I'm feeling like Selma Hayek. Good night. Okay, good. Benefit got my eye watering. Made me cry. Because I like this. Okay, so yeah, it's giving. Again, I don't think I would use this on like my full eyebrow because I don't need it. Maybe somebody else do, but I'm here for this. I'm not bad. Let me find the top because I don't want to dry it out. But I would definitely use this. And then let's see. I'm going to try to put like a little concealer on it. And let's see what it's giving. 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to take my MAC NC50. Good night. Don't talk about my little dirty top. But either way, I'm going to take my MAC NC50 and one of my brushes. This is a MAC 212 flat brush. And I'm just going to use some concealer and outline it. Lion is calling me to a higher place of praise. Don't talk about my singing. I should have probably did that before. Good night. It's not bad. It's very much so good natural brow. And like I said, when I beat my face, we'll try this again to show y'all who I bees with the makeups. Or who I think I bees. Let's get that clear line. It's not really my specialty as of yet, but who knows? Okay, good enough. It's just a random brush I picked up for blending purpose. All right. Overall, I'm thinking it's a good little pencil. I wouldn't use it on my whole eyebrow, but it's giving for the inside. If you have thicker brows like me, I just wish I had more on the inside. It's a definite, but I'm here for it. And then I also went to and got this e.l.f. My husband playing the game. If y'all hear that in the background, good night. But either way, I got this e.l.f. clear brow lash mascara stuff that gives it kind of like a little stay, almost like a hairspray or something, child. Low key, you could probably use hairspray, but I ain't gonna tell you that. But anyway, I'm gonna rub some of that on it. They did offer this from a Benefit, but I've used this e.l.f. one before and it worked just fine. So, whoop, there it is. Whoop. Okay, friends. Yes, honey. All right, and then one day we're gonna try this out when I'm beating my full face. I'm gonna let that dry. Yes. Ooh, and there we go. Me and Mrs. Browse. Yay. It's not giving, but it's giving. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me get back serious now. Thank you so much for watching. I'd recommend this brow filling, micro filling pencil, pen, whatever. Definitely. It says 24 hours. I'm going to go back to the store and out and about with my hubby. And I'll let you guys know how it holds up. But so far, yes, I recommend this pen. And so far, I'm glad I purchased it. And we'll see. It's giving very natural, very hairy. And I'm liking it. The new caterpillar on the block. Yes, honey. But anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media pages. All of the information will be down in the description box. Thanks again for watching. Yes, honey.